This is blowing my f***ing mind. The people that brought you this guy and these guys and these guys as f***ing heroes who are brandishing their weapons are telling you the big mistake was letting a citizen legally carry a gun. I mean, listen, I wasn't shocked when you guys gave up the First Amendment, and I wasn't shocked when you gave up the Fourth Amendment and the 10th Amendment and the 14th Amendment at Trump's behest. But the second... Isn't that kind of the load-bearing wall of the don't tread on me flag? Your snake's down to a newt. Your deeply felt constitutional principles are suddenly the knight in Monty Python. Ah, come back! Come back! Ah, I'll bite you to death. I'm still a constitution. Arr, arr. Rent it. It's very good. Come on, guys. Guns are your whole personality. Guns are your Zoom backgrounds, your decorative lapel pins. Guns are how you show displeasure at documents. Guns are your Christmas cards. There's no human activity that can't be made better without the pulsing heat of your Armalite best friends.
Of course, in Texas, we cook bacon a little differently than most folks. Machine gun bacon.
I'm not really one to talk, but it is clear how much heavy lifting his beard has to do. Like, that dude, that was like, that's some weapons shit right there. The crazy thing is, the right has jettisoned the entire integrity and belief of their political worldview, the entire foundation of it, for a guy who really doesn't give a f***. You gave it all up. This is your president on this harrowing weekend of bloodshed.
At 11:31 a.m. this morning, he wrote on Truth Social to complain about a lawsuit and say that stopping construction of his White House ballroom, in his view, quote, would be devastating to the White House, our country, and all concerned. Just a few moments ago, he posted again lamenting the NFL's new kickoff format.
This is who you threw it all away for. Kickoff. Blood runs through the streets of Minnesota. A political party has jettisoned their entire knowledge of the founding documents. And Trump's out there like, hey, everybody, we're all going to get laid.